So, on a positive note, I'm starting last. So I can't lose any places at the start.
Get ready, going green.
And hopefully no one will rear end me. Anyway, yeah, I went off track on both my qualifying laps.
Pace car is off, be ready.
So that was the end of that. We haven't gone. I thought we'd be going. So Brans Hatch, GR86. Not sure if this is a good idea or not.
Green flag.
The safety rating anyway, but we'll see. I've got a bit more pace than the people at the back, I think. Like I say, I messed up my qualifying, so I can do 138s, low 138s. So we'll see if we can make any moves. There's not a lot of room to overtake at Brans Hatch. And easy to make mistakes, so we'll just play it cool to start with.
Slow car ahead.
Somebody's gone off already. Well, they kept it on the island, more or less. Yeah, I'm being a bit cautious. I don't want the race to end prematurely. We'll see. We'll get the tyres warm as well. We should be able to keep up. We don't want to be going 2 by 2 through here. It's not the quickest way through. Let's see if we can make some moves then. Not going to overtake anyone if we just sit at the back. Can we get anyone into Paddock Hill Bend, I wonder? Maybe not.
49.757.
Okay, well, we've got a little group at the back, haven't we? We're struggling to make any progress here. It's sort of blocking the whole track. Need to try a bit harder. Yeah. And a good old battle, these two, aren't they? Whether I should go down to second or not there, I'm not sure. Possibly. Well, we've managed to maintain our position, so we're doing really well. Can I do anything about these guys? Tires are up to temperature now anyway, so I've got a bit more confidence. That's where I did my off tracks. I was trying to go through a gear higher. Not sure if that was the right thing to do.
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
Well, cutback hasn't worked, has it? Not really getting anywhere here. Being held at their pace.
39.943.
Well, I'm getting nowhere. And the others are getting away. This is not good, is it? Need to get past these guys. Go after the others. Okay. We're just holding each other up, aren't we? And no one's crashed yet, so we haven't made up any places.
Left side.
Okay, we're going to make up a place?
Still there. 10 minutes to go. Clear.
Looks like it.
Car on your left. Keep to the right. 40.781. Clear on the left.
Okay, we got one. Let me get this next guy. I think so.
Right side. Stay on the left. Still there. Stay on the left.
Oh, that hasn't worked.
Clear. Car right. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Oh dear. Well, we're just battling. Battling at the back. Battle for last place at the moment, and I'm winning. What's going on? I know Brans is difficult to overtake, but I thought I'd be able to make some moves.
Left side. Stay on the right. Still there. 39.498. That was your fastest lap of the session. Clear on the left.
Yeah, let's see if we can get away from him then. Now we're not battling. We've got a bit of space to work with. Yeah, we've left him for dead, haven't we? Amazing how much battling slows you down, isn't it?
1.4 seconds.
Okay, well, it'd be nice to maybe get by this guy now. Bridged the gap, haven't we? So we're going a bit quicker.
.744. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, that's not bad. See if we can put this guy under pressure. Force a mistake. Would be nice.
Car right. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
Make him narrow his line. And go up the inside here.
Stay on the right. Clear.
There we go. That worked. And after the next one. we can.
The leader just did a 37.183. Five minutes to go.
We've only got 5 minutes and it's taken us 10 minutes to make up 2 spots, so I don't think we're doing very well today.
38.625.
I'll probably do that in 4th, can't I? Still learning, I think. It's a bit wide. Kept it on the island though. No off track. Yeah, I think second is better through there. Okay, so we've gone a bit quicker than the guy ahead. So we should be able to get by if we've got time. Definitely on him, aren't we?
Car on your left. Still there, hold your line.
Okay, well,
Stay on the right.
be nice to have the inside for paddock here, wouldn't it? But we haven't.
38.44. Right side. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the left. Clear.
Show him the outside of the track. And then let him worry about the guy behind, I think. So we made up 3 places. This has been hard work, hasn't it? Bloody hell, and look how far back we are. Oh. Had to work for those spots as well. That yellow car would have been better off letting me by and just tucking in behind, wouldn't he? Now he's having to battle with that blue car because he battled it out. But that's what happens. Okay, we're not catching anyone, are we? But we've got away from those 2.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.7.
Hey. Just about. Slow around there. I think 4th would be better.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 2.2 seconds. 38.554.
There we go. Yeah, I don't think we're going to catch the guy ahead. We haven't got time. So I put in some mega laps, which I don't think I'm going to do. Off track. Yeah, thought so. Put the wrong line there. The guy ahead's quicker than me anyway, so I don't think we're going to catch him. This is a track you need to qualify well on, really, and I completely messed that up, unfortunately. Which really cost me, didn't it? 'Cause it took so long to get by those guys.
White flag, white flag.
White flag, that's it then. So, 12th. Ah.
37.934.
Well, I managed to maintain my rearward position. Can't always win. Yeah, really understeered around there. That's bad driving from me. Gosh, they're really battling behind, aren't they? Yeah, I've gone to pot now. I'm far enough ahead, I think. What a shame. Next time, I will do a bit better in qualifying, I think. For now, I'll just bring it home. Only got a 1x, that's not too bad. Very few incidents, aren't there? I was banking on there being lots of incidents. They just haven't been. Yep, that's it. We'll take that. Clean race. Good bit of battling, although it was at the wrong end of the field, but some good battling. Enjoyed that. Practicing setting up overtakes sort of a couple of corners ahead, which I think we managed to do, didn't we? And we'll stop here. This is the start then, so I was already falling off the back, but hey ho. Let's see if there's any incidents then. So we've got, this is near the front, so a little bit of, oh, there was an incident, but he kept going, didn't he? Then this was us three, wasn't it? The Lego car. Oh no. Where's this then? This is early on, so I must be behind this group. So just a little bit of bumping rather than lots of crashing. And then what? And golf car. Just a little touch, not too much. And then just a tiny little nudge. He got the corner, got the job done, I think, and he's just drifting wide. Oh dear. Not so good. And that was it. So no big crashes by the looks of it. Okay, let's have a look at the results. Okay then, so tiny bit of safety rating. Lost a little bit of I rating, so not too bad. Best lap then, 36.6, 36.9 for the leader, 36.9, so needed to be in the 36s really. I was all the way down here, 37.7, so fair way down. Yeah, I was a bit off the pace, wasn't I really? I think partly we just settled into the pace of these guys at the back, and yeah, we had a lot more speed than them. And it looks like somebody disconnected, so I don't know what happened to them right at the start, it looks of it. So yeah, it took us a long time, didn't it, to get past those three, but I enjoyed it. We made clean moves, I think. It was perfectly fair. Good little battle at the back. So yeah, not too bad. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, join our Discord, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.